You know that feeling when you walk into a space and it instantly feels like you? A place that's not just about where you're going, but how good it feels when you get there. That's exactly what the 2026 Grand Design Reflection 317 Ristus is all about. It's more than a fifth wheel, it's a living space designed for people who love to entertain, relax, and travel in pure comfort. Grand Design calls it their ultimate entertainer's floor plan. And after spending time inside, I can tell you, that's not just marketing talk. This one truly feels like a luxury home that just happens to have wheels. So today, let's take you inside the all-new Reflection 317 Ristus, a trailer that's redefining what RV living means for 2026. From the moment you walk up to it, the Reflection 317 Ristus stands tall with presence. The lines are clean, modern, and beautifully sculpted, a perfect mix of sophistication and strength. That signature high-gloss fiberglass exterior shimmers under the sun, framed by Grand Design's bold graphics that instantly catch your eye. The full gel-coated finish isn't just pretty, it's built for longevity, helping resist fading and scratches even after years of adventures. Down below, a sturdy drop frame chassis gives you not only a smooth tow but also huge pass-through storage space. And yes, those slam-latch baggage doors feel solid, just like something you'd find on a luxury coach. Then there's the dual power awning setup, covering nearly the entire patio side. It transforms your campsite into a private outdoor lounge, complete with LED lighting and optional outside entertainment hookups. And speaking of entertainment, that's really where this RV shines. Because when you step inside, it's not just a floor plan, it's a mood. Welcome to the heart of the Reflection 317 Ristus, an open-concept living area that feels like it was designed for friends, family, and late-night laughter. Grand Design absolutely nailed the atmosphere here. You get that residential apartment vibe, high ceilings, tons of natural light, and a floor plan that just flows. The first thing you'll notice? That massive rear entertainment wall. A large smart TV sits front and center, framed by beautiful cabinetry and a built-in electric fireplace that adds both warmth and ambience. It's cozy. It's cinematic. And when the lights dim at night, it genuinely feels like your own private theater. Facing that entertainment wall is a pair of plush theater recliners, heated, massaging, and perfectly angled for the best view in the house. There's even USB charging built right in, because let's be honest, your phone deserves first-class seating too. Right next to that, you've got a trifold sofa not just for lounging, but it folds out into an extra bed when guests come along. It's the kind of thoughtful touch that makes this RV perfect for entertaining or just stretching out after a long day on the road. Now, let's move to the kitchen, and this is where the Reflection really earns its Dream RV title. You're greeted by a massive center island, topped with a gorgeous solid surface countertop and a deep stainless sink. It's elegant, practical, and instantly makes you want to start prepping dinner. Look around and you'll find residential-style cabinetry, soft-close drawers, and tons of storage, from the overhead compartments to the hidden pantry tucked beside the fridge. And that fridge? A full 16 cubic foot 12V model, plenty big for long trips or extended stays. Then there's the cooking setup, a Fur Ion 3-burner cooktop, large oven, and microwave, all framed beautifully by a real tile backsplash and accent lighting. Everything about this kitchen says one thing: it's made for people who love to cook and share meals. You can picture it: evening gatherings, the smell of coffee in the morning, or movie night popcorn right across from the fireplace. This is RV living done right. Adjacent to the kitchen sits a freestanding dinette, with upholstered chairs and large panoramic windows framing your view. Whether it's dinner for two or a lively card game night, this space has the right blend of comfort and openness. Those windows flood the entire living area with light, and when you're parked by a lake or mountain ridge, it's absolutely breathtaking. It's these little design choices, like window placement, lighting, and layout, that make the Reflection 317 Ristus feel alive. Now, heading up toward the front, you'll find a private retreat waiting for you. The master bedroom in the 317 Ristus is designed for true relaxation. You get a full 60 by 80 queen bed with an option for a king upgrade, surrounded by overhead cabinets and reading lights. The slide-out adds extra floor space, giving you room to walk around comfortably even when the bed is fully made. And here's a nice touch: Grand Design includes washer/dryer prep, full wardrobe closets, and deep drawers that rival many residential bedrooms. At night, dim the ambient lighting and close the blackout shades, and you've got yourself a peaceful haven that feels miles away from the road. The bathroom continues the Reflections residential vibe. It's bright, roomy, and built with practical luxury in mind. You'll find a large walk-in shower with glass doors and a skylight that floods the space with light. The solid surface vanity, mirrored medicine cabinet, and built-in linen storage make it easy to stay organized. It's simple, elegant, and once again, designed to feel like home. Of course, grand design didn't just focus on looks. This RV is packed with smart engineering. You get dual-duct AC units for quiet, even cooling, and a 30,000 BTU furnace for those chilly evenings. There's also auto-leveling, a heated and enclosed underbelly, and reflective insulation for all-season camping. Everything is controlled through the Compass Connect system, letting you monitor your lights, awnings, and slides right from your phone. It's modern convenience without complexity. So what makes the 317 Ristus different from other models in this class? It's the combination of luxury, livability, and that unmistakable grand design craftsmanship. The attention to detail here, from cabinet finish to lighting temperature, feels purposeful. You can tell it was built for long-term comfort, not just weekend getaways. And that's what separates Reflection from most other mid-size fifth wheels. It's not trying to be the flashiest rig on the lot, it's trying to be the most enjoyable to live in. And in that sense, it truly delivers. Now, I want to hear from you. Would you call this the ultimate entertainer's RV? Or do you think another model takes that crown? Drop your thoughts below and tell us what your dream floor plan looks like. As the sun sets behind the campsite, and the soft glow from that electric fireplace flickers across the living room, you realize something: this isn't just an RV. It's a reflection of what travel should feel like. Relaxed. Comfortable. Effortless. A place where every day feels like a vacation, even when you're miles from home. The 2026 Grand Design Reflection 317 Ristus isn't about chasing destinations. It's about creating moments worth remembering. Because at the end of the day, that's what makes the road feel like home. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, make sure to hit like. Drop a comment with your favorite feature. And subscribe for more luxury RV reviews right here on Luxury RV Explorer. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring in style.